entered into the Jyeshta Masam. So what is the nakshatram?
Rohini Nakshatram.
Very good. And the day, Varam, what do you call in Sanskrit? Saturday? Today is Saturday, no? You don't know? Shanivasara. Shanivasara. Shukla Paksha. Jyeshta Masa.
Jyeshta Masam. Padyami. Rohini Nakshatram.
Correct.
Shanivasara.
Shanivasara. Now we will do Gita Dhyana. Okay? Om Parthaya Pratibodhita Bhagavata Ashrayana Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitaamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini Amba Tvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Fullaravindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Panaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Gitamritadune Namaha Sarvopanishado Gavo Dogdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta Dugdham Gitamritam Mahat Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Raja Aham Tva Sarvapapebhyah Mokshayishyami Ma Shruchah. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Now we will chant the Bhagavad Gita. So today we will limit for only 5 shlokas in the second chapter. Okay? So let's start. You repeat after me. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Atha Dvitiyodhyayah.
Atha Dvitiyodhyayah.
Sankhya Yogah.
Sankhya Yogah.
Sanjaya Uvacha.
Sanjaya Uvacha.
Tam Tatha.
Tam Tatha.
Kripaya Vishtam.
Kripaya Vishtam.
Ashrupurna.
Ashrupurna.
Kulekshanam.
Kulekshanam.
Tam Tatha Kripaya Vishtam.
Tam Tatha Kripaya Vishtam.
Ashrupurna Kulekshanam.
Ashrupurna Kulekshanam.
Vishidantamidam.
Vishidantamidam.
Vakyam.
Vakyam.
Uvacha.
Uvacha.
Madhu.
Madhu.
Sudanaha.
मधुसूदनः
श्रीभगवानुवाच
श्रीभगवानुवाच
कुतस्त्वा
कुतस्त्वा
कश्मलमिदम्
कश्मलमिदम्
विषमे
विषमे
समुपस्थितम्
समुपस्थितम्
कुतस्त्वा कश्मलमिदम्
कुतस्त्वा कश्मलमिदम्
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 विषमे समुपस्थितम्
विषमे समुपस्थितम्
अनार्यजुष्टम्
अनार्यजुष्टम्
अस्वर्ग्यम्
अस्वर्ग्यम्
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्
अकीर्तिकर
अकीर्तिकर
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन
Okay. This I have combined Anarya Jushtam Aswargyam. We should combine and chant Anarya Jushtam Aswargyam. Okay. Anarya Jushtam Aswargyam.
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्
Akirtikaram
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन
Third one. Klaibyam
क्लैब्यम्
Masmagamah
मास्मगमः
Partha.
पार्थ
So when you combine Masma Gama plus Partha, it will be Masma Gama Partha. Klaibyam Masma Gama Partha.
क्लैब्यम् मास्मगमः पार्थ.
So, ha plus pa equals to fa.
Yeah, when you have in Sanskrit aha plus pa, we have to chant it as Masma Gama Fa. You have to replace F there. Okay. Klaibyam Masma Gama Partha.
क्लैब्यम् मास्मगमः पार्थ.
Naitatva
नैतत्वा
Yupapadyate.
युपपद्यते.
U is W, stressful U. Naitatva Yupapadyate.
नैतत्त्वयुपपद्यते.
Kshudram
क्षुद्रम्
Hridaya Daurbalyam.
हृदयदौर्बल्यम्
Tyaktvo
त्यक्त्वा
Tishta.
Tishtha.
This is stressful tha. Okay. Uttishta is combined Tyaktva plus Uttishta. Tyaktvottishta.
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ.
Ta is also stressful but not the strong tha. It is Uttishta.
Tyakshvottishta.
Tyaktvottishta.
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ.
Tyaktvottishta.
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ.
Parantapa.
परन्तप.
Okay. Fourth one. Arjuna Uvacha.
अर्जुन उवाच
This is Arjuna Uvacha. Katham
कथं
Bhishmamaham Sankhye.
भीष्ममहं
Sankhye. Katham
कथं
Bhishma
भीष्ममहं
Maham Sankhye.
संख्ये
Katham Bhishmamaham Sankhye.
कथं भीष्ममहं संख्ये
Dronam cha
द्रोणं च
Madhusudana.
मधुसूदन
ईशुभिः plus प्रत्यो. Okay. ईशुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि.
प्रतियोत्स्यामि.
ईशुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि.
ईशुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि.
पूजार्हा
पूजार्हा
वरिसूदन.
वरिसूदन.
It is पूजार्हा वरिसूदन.
पूजार्हा वरिसूदन.
Okay, next, the last one. गुरून् हत्वा हि
गुरून् हत्वा हि
महानुभावान्
महानुभावान्
श्रेयो भोक्तुम् भैक्ष्य मपीह लोके.
मपीह लोके.
So we'll do again. गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान्
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान्
श्रेयो भोक्तुम् भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके.
भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके.
हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिर प्रदिग्धान्. This is very tricky. भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिर प्रदिग्धान्.
भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिर प्रदिग्धान्.
हरिः ओम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम्. So in the next week's class, so the children should learn all the 5 or at least 2 or 3. Okay. Next, Hanuman Chalisa, 4-5 slokas, 4 to 5. Okay, we'll chant together. 10 now. I have to do the story also.
7.
Okay, 7. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मनु मुकुर सुधारि. बरनउँ रघुबर विमल जसु जो दायक फलचारि. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार. बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर. जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर. रामदूत अतुलित बल धाम. अंजलि पुत्र पवन सुत नाम. महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी. कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी. कंचन वरण विराज सुबेश. कानन कुंडल कुंचित केश. हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे. कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे. शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन. तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन. विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर. राम काज करि the bhajan. Okay, Kamo Balki Stomach Ganapati. Come up, you also children, you sing along with Kamal and Tejo. Kamo Balki Stomach Ganapati.
Kamo Balki Stomach Ganapati.
You are the son of Shiva Parvati.
You are the son of Shiva Parvati.
Kamo Balki Stomach Ganapati.
Kamo Balki Stomach Ganapati.
You are the son of Shiva Parvati.
You are the son of Shiva Parvati.
Riding a ratto, belting a serpento.
Riding a
Ratto, belting a serpento. You have the face of an elephanto.
You have the face of an elephanto.
We offer you modaka and payasa.
We offer you Modaka and Payasa.
You are the guru of examination pasa.
You are the Guru of examination pasa.
Please ensure us Vighna Vinasha.
Please ensure us Vighna Vinasha.
You are the steno of Veda Vyasa.
You are the steno of Veda Vyasa.
Kamo Balki Stomach Ganapati.
Kamo Balki Stomach Ganapati.
You are the son of Shiva Parvati.
You are the son of Shiva Parvati.
Children, now it is our story time. Okay, now today I want to share my favorite story from Bhagavatam. This I have already shared with you on my second Balihar class. So I like this story a lot. So let's say, and you have to name this story. Give a name to the story after listening to this. Once upon a time, there lived a Brahmana, a cobbler in a village. So the cobbler was like, he was mending shoes under one big banyan tree. And the Brahmana was also living besides him in a small hut, and he was very religious. He was doing his Sandhya Vandana, he was doing his reading all in a particular time, and accordingly, as Vedas said, he was performing all the rituals. So one day, Narad Muni, do you know Narad Muni? So what does Narad Muni say? Narayana, Narayana. He is called as Triloka Sanchari also. So he will be traveling to all the three worlds. One day he was just passing on in that village. Then the Brahmana saw him and he asked, Narad Muni, please, when you go and meet Lord Vishnu, please ask him, when will I meet him? Then Narad Muni said, why? He said, I am very curious because I am doing my japa and tapa very regularly, and I am doing puja also, so I want to meet him. So he said, okay, I will go and ask. Then he was just moving on, and then he met the cobbler. Then cobbler also said pranams to Narad Muni and said, Narad Muni, when you visit Lord Vishnu in Vaikuntha Dham, can you please ask, when will I meet him? It means they are asking about the liberation. When they leave their bodies, after living for 100 years, when they leave their bodies, they want to meet Lord Vishnuji. So the cobbler also asked the same. Then Narad Muni said, okay, anyways, I am asking about Brahmana also, I will be asking yours question also. And finally one day Narad Muni went to Lord Vishnuji's, he went to Vaikuntha, and he asked, in that small village on the earth, there were two people. They gave me they asked me, to check when they will come to your Vaikuntha. Then Vishnuji said, yeah, I know. The cobbler will meet me soon. Once he leaves his body in this birth, he will come and meet me. Then he asked, what about the Brahmana? Then Lord Vishnu said that, no, he will. I don't know when he will come and meet me. He has to undergo so many births, I feel. Then he said, what? The cobbler was not doing any puja and just he was concentrating on his mending shoes, on his work only. But this Brahmana was doing puja, japa, tapa, all the rituals he is following. So why he is not coming? Then I'm not understanding this mystery. Please tell me. Then he said that, okay, you will only realize, I will tell you what to do. When you go and meet them again, go and tell. They will be asking you what did Vishnuji say. So just tell them, Lord Vishnuji is threading a big elephant into a small needle. Just tell this. Then Lord Narad Muni thought that, what is this? It's so weird. But still he said he wanted to listen to Vishnuji. He went down. And Brahmana was very curious after seeing Narad Muni. He asked, did you meet Vishnuji? Yes, I met him. Then what did he say about my liberation? Then he said, what was he doing? He asked. The Brahmana asked, what was Vishnuji doing? He said, he was just pushing a very big elephant into a small needle. What nonsense is this? I don't believe all this. You did not meet Vishnuji. Is he jobless? He will do all such weird things? I don't believe. Then he understood. Then Narad Muni understood. Oh, he is not having faith in God. Okay, so that's why Vishnuji said that he has to undergo so many births. Okay. Then he was very quiet and he left. And Brahmana was also, he was not believing in Narad Muni and he also left. Then he met cobbler. The cobbler also asked, did you meet Vishnuji? How was he? What was he doing? And he said, he was pushing a big elephant into a small needle. Who is it? Yeah, he can do. He is great. Like that. Do you believe this? Yes, I believe. Under this big banyan tree, I am sitting, no? There is a seed into the, from a very small seed, this big banyan tree has come. So when God can keep a very big tree into a small seed, can't he push an elephant into a small needle? He can do. So I completely believe him. So then Narad Muni understood. So faith is very, very, very important. Okay, whatever you do. So whatever work you do it with full faith and concentration. Okay, it's not like just do it for the namesake. This is what is the story. So you have to give me the morals. I will be sending later. You give me the morals and the name of the story. Hari Om kids. And now we will close the class with the closing prayers. Om Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityor Ma Amritangamaya Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Pledge.
Page number 27.
Page number 27. Kids.
20.
Eating hand on your heart. Okay? We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values, within and without us. We live honestly the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om